Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be making shrimp remoulade deviled eggs. Now, as most people know, I do not like seafood, but my husband does, so I'm going to go ahead and make these for him. I'm hoping that the shrimp is going to be cut up in small enough pieces that I won't really taste it. I will give it a try, but I don't have my hopes up. So what all do we need to go into this shrimp remoulade deviled eggs? 3/4 cup mayo, 3 tablespoons minced green onion. The store didn't have any green onion, can you believe that? So I'm just going to go ahead and mince up just regular onion. 1 tablespoon minced fresh parsley. 1.5 tablespoons Creole Mustard. I didn't have any of that, so I made my own. I will include the recipe down below. 2 teaspoons lemon zest. 2 garlic cloves pressed, and I'm just going to go ahead and mince them. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon ground red pepper or cayenne pepper. 12 large eggs, cooked and peeled at room temperature. And 1 cup finely chopped cooked shrimp, peeled and deveined. It's about 3/4 of a pound. And I'm going to go ahead and run them under cool water for 15 minutes to thaw them out. And then I'm going to just throw them in the microwave and, heat them up a little bit. So let's begin. Okay, so while our eggs are cooling to room temperature and while we are rinsing the shrimp, we are going to go ahead and mix up the sauce that goes into the deviled eggs. So the first thing you want to add is the 3/4 cup mayonnaise. Now, I actually didn't have enough of the mayonnaise, so I added in Miracle Whip to make up the difference. And 3 tablespoons of minced green onions. I didn't have green onions, so 3 tablespoons of the regular onions. 1 tablespoon of the minced parsley. The 1.5 tablespoons of the Creole Mustard. The 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. The 2 cloves of garlic pressed, but like I said, I minced mine. 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon of ground red pepper. And then go ahead and whisk that until it's thoroughly mixed. Now go ahead and put this in the refrigerator until you're ready to start stuffing your eggs. Alright, so the eggs are at room temperature. The shrimp has been rinsed and thawed, and I put it in the microwave and heated it to just barely warm for about 20 seconds. So what we need to do is take our egg and cut it lengthwise. Put our yolk into the sauce that we already made earlier. And then I'll go ahead and finish that up, and I'll then go on with the rest. Alright, so then you want to go ahead and mash the yolks. And I'll go ahead and finish that. Alright, so I did get the yolks mixed in with the sauce. So what we want to do now is take the finely chopped up shrimp and dump that in there as well and mix that all up. So after we get that all mixed in, we're going to go ahead and fill our eggs. And I'll go ahead and finish that, and I'll be back. All right, so here is the finished product, the shrimp Remoulade Deviled Eggs. And you can go ahead and serve them right away, or you can go ahead and put them in the refrigerator and chill them until you're ready to serve. I am going to save these for supper when Dave gets home from work. Yay, he's back at work. This is his second day. We'll go ahead and do a taste test when he gets home. Okay, so here's the shrimp Remoulade Deviled Eggs, and rounding out the meal is barbecue marinated chicken leg and southern style green beans. I'll go ahead and get my husband to do a taste test.
What's in this?
Shrimp.
Oh. Well, I like this a lot better than the vinegar version. I still think I like, personally, regular deviled eggs better, but these are not bad. It's got a little kick to it, too.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.